Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, you guys know this place where I'm always at, Superior Auto Sales, sascars.com, but they get a whole bunch of cars here. So I figured I'd dump some of these individually, but I wanted to show you what they really have here. They have a little bit of everything to fit everybody. So, but in the meantime, like, share, and subscribe. It does help my channel. And if you give it a big fat thumbs up, that helps my channel. If you leave a comment down below, yes, I will reply to you. So till then, I'm going to show you what they got. They got a little bit of everything here. Yep, and you're going to hear the compressor. The Shelby GT truck. It'll shut off in a second. I mean, everybody's working right now, so I try and work around it. But this truck right here, this one just sold, and it is really nice. Horsepower-wise, I can't remember how much it is. It's just a ridiculous amount. The Shelby the Shelby truck. It is crazy. I'll give you a quick glimpse at it. And here it might be a little quieter. But yeah, there's a lot of room in this, and it's only 32,000 miles. And year-wise on this, it is a 2018, so there's not a lot of miles on it. I mean, it is nice. I mean, back there's a lot of room in this too. A ton. Here's your boost gauge for it. This truck is really sweet. I would definitely love to have this. Carbon fiber touches. Yeah. So, I mean, even if you look in here, I mean, there's a lot. You could lay down in this thing if you had to. But it's nice that they put the rubber mats in it. It is huge in here. Like, you could basically go camping inside of the truck and not worry about it. But yeah, they have a little bit of everything here. I mean, somewhat newer Corvettes. This Camaro. I think it's just probably just a V6. 2011. No, 6.2. Wow. Pretty surprising. Yeah, they are. This is nice, actually. This is really nice. But this is what I mean by they have a little bit of everything here. An older Corvette Stingray. First generation Viper, which is really, really clean. It is. This Jeep right here, this Renegade. Definitely an older one. I can't remember what year this is. This will let me know. 1986. And it's a little tight in here too. And to get in between everything. And it's a stick shift. So if you guys like older Jeeps, this one's for sale on your site. No radio, but you know what? Who cares? You got the wind in your hair. Warm out. Back seats. 4 people. But this older Viper, this is actually, I haven't seen one of these in a long time. A really, really long time. And it is super clean too. Really clean. Yeah, we got a little bit of a cobweb there. But yeah, it is. Open this. No, my electric alarm will go off. 1994. Wow. It's an RT. Nice bright red. Older Stingray. This Grand Prix, I just did a video on this car solely by itself a few weeks ago. So if you're interested in this one, you would just want to see the car in general, you know, go to my channel. This one I did a video on it, and a lot of people really seem to like this truck. Like, I've never seen a Mercury 100. It's like a Mercury 100M or something like that. Yeah, it's an M100. That's what it is. Yeah, another quick peek at the inside of this one. And I know that's not a clock, or that's a radio. I thought it was a clock because I just looked at it and took it for granted that, you know, it was a clock. But no, it's a radio. If it gets a station anymore, who knows? Yeah, this is a super, super clean truck. Whoop. There we go. But it is beautiful. There you go, the Mercury. This Grand Prix. They have a little bit of everything here. I mean, this is an old school Cadillac. Not really, really super old school, but old enough to be considered old. But it is super clean. And you know what? Oh my God, that old school sound when you used to leave your keys in it. Wow. I'm going to pull that out because that's annoying. 1979. Wow. There we go. The camera will focus. Yep. 1979 Cadillac. Wow. Mileage 64,317. And I know that that is actually original. It is. And this car is in beautiful shape. This is the kind of car you definitely go cruising around in. This big, huge glove box. I mean, even the rear trunk, I think the key's got to be turned forward to pop it open. But this car is a beast. I had a Cadillac back in the day, but it was the front-wheel drive version of this, and it was fun. It's just had the V8 in it, but unfortunately the transmission was on its way out, so it ate a lot of gas. And this car is so comfortable. Oh man, it's a recliner on wheels. It is. It's super comfortable. This is the kind of car you do not drive while you're tired. And nope, no tape deck. I thought maybe that pushed in. No. Wow. Okay then. But judging by, I don't know what this goes to. Some auxiliary cord. So I don't know if this radio is still original because there's an auxiliary button. And back then, I don't think they had that. Ashtray, super clean. I don't think it's ever been used. But yeah, this is a nice car. Oh, getting out of this is really tight right now because they have a ton of cars piled in here. But yeah, look at the size of this trunk. This is massive. Tinted windows. This is straight up old school right here. I mean, this car, there's no Bondo. None. You can hear that. That is all metal. Usually these right here are gone. Usually they're all cracked up and things like that. And this is all still original paint. This is the GM color. I know it because it was on my Cadillac when I had it. And I had an older Camaro too. Exact same color. It's like a midnight blue. And it's a beautiful blue too, but it's all cleaned up and polished in the sun. Yeah. But this is just class all day long. See if I can get a shot of the front end here. The vinyl top on it. This is in beautiful shape too. These are the older rain guards. I don't even know if they make these metal ones anymore. If you know, leave a comment down below, or you had somebody, or you even had one of these older cars with these rain guards on them. But yeah, the hood is just big. I mean, it's a cool car. It is. It's neat. Old school caddy. But like I said, yeah, they got a mixture of everything. Older classic cars, classic trucks, classic luxury. Classic cars like that. Corvettes. Older Corvettes. Older, kind of older compared to the newer ones. First generation Vipers. Viper. Older Jeep, which is, I'm sure, is a lot of fun to drive any time of the year. You got your Camaro with the 6.2 liter in it. I'm sure that thing hustled. And then you got your Ford F-150 Shelby up there. So, yeah. There's a lot here. Alright guys, I'm going to end this one here. I hope you like this video as much as I like recording it, because I do it for you guys. So hopefully you'll like this and, you know, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments down below, and I have plenty of other videos that you can enjoy too. Till then, I'll see you on the next one.